We are further doing chemical equilibrium, and we are going to focus some more questions on equilibrium constants. So this video will involve the calculation of equilibrium concentrations using the ICE technique. So what is this ICE technique? The ICE technique means the I we call as the initial concentration, C is the change in concentration, E is the equilibrium concentration. And of course, just you revise on what we have learnt earlier. The equilibrium for any reaction A plus 2B giving you C is concentration of C divided by A, B raised to the power of 2. And or in other words, it is product over reactants, and we include only gases, and the concentration should be raised to the power of the stoichiometry. Let's do the first question using the ICE technique. The equilibrium constant for the reaction at 25 degrees Celsius is 0.056. The reaction A is of 4 molar concentration and it decomposes as shown. Calculate the equilibrium concentrations of A, B and C. The reaction given is A giving you B and C, and then the equilibrium constant expression is equal to concentration of B, concentration of C divided by concentration of A. And let's just apply the ICE technique. It says the initial concentration of A is 4 molar. Therefore, the initial concentration as written there is, for A it is 4 molar. And as the reaction progresses, at this moment the B and C have 0 concentration. As the reaction progresses, the concentration of A will change by negative X, and the concentration of B and C will become positive X and positive X. Therefore, the equilibrium concentration of A will be 4 minus X, concentration of B will be X, and the equilibrium concentration of C will be X. So now we have the equation which says what Kc is. Kc is given as 0.056. 0.056 is equal to, substitute the value of concentration of B and C and also A, and I get the value of X, and I get X is equal to 0.45. Now the equilibrium concentrations will be, concentration of A will be 4.0 minus 0.45, that is 3.6 molar, and concentration of B and C will be the value of X, that is 0.45 molar. Let's do the next question on using the ICE technique. The equilibrium constant at 25 degrees Celsius for the reaction is 0.058. A mixture of 10 moles of B and 25 moles of C are allowed to come to equilibrium in a container of volume 50 liters. Calculate the equilibrium concentrations of A, B and C. The equation given is A giving you B plus C. So write down the equilibrium constant, concentration of B, C divided by A raised to the power of 2. So this is the case in which the concentration is not given, but of course the moles and the volume are given. So using our equations, we will be able to calculate the concentrations, because we know that molarity is moles divided by liters. So concentration of B is 0.2 and concentration of C comes as 0.5. So now use the ICE technique, substitute all these values. So we get, we started with 0.2 B and 0.5 as the concentration of C, and the concentration of A was 0, and the concentration of B changes by negative X and C changes by negative X, but A changes by 2X. Substitute all the values, we get 2X, 0.20 minus X, 0.50 minus X. Put it into the equilibrium equation, and we realize that this is a quadratic equation. So use the principle of quadratic equation, and I get the value of X at 0.195. Once I get the value of X, the equilibrium concentration of A will be twice of that. Equilibrium concentration of B will be 0.20 minus 0.195, and the equilibrium concentration of C will be 0.305 molar. So we will do one more question now. For the reaction A plus B giving you C and D, Kc is 0.568 at 300 degrees Celsius. A mixture of 0.500 moles of A and 0.500 moles of B are heated to 300 degrees Celsius in a 10.0 liter container. calculate the equilibrium concentrations of A, B, C and D. Here also, as in the case of as the previous case, the concentrations are not given, but the moles and the volume is given. So calculate the concentration, and I get the concentration of A as 0.050 and B is also 0.050, and C and D we don't know. So again use the ICE technique. Concentration of A and B will decrease by negative x, and C and D will increase by positive x, and substitute it into the equilibrium equation. And the reason this question was taken is when you sometimes while solving an equilibrium equation, we can use some techniques which will simplify our calculations. So if you look at the equation, I get 0.568 equals x squared divided by 0.050 minus x repeated 2 times. Therefore, it's easy to calculate it. Instead of converting it to a quadratic equation, just take the square root on both sides, and the simplification of the equation becomes simpler, and I get the value of x as 0.021. So once I get the value of x, concentration of C, D, A and B can be calculated as shown there.